Hi guys, welcome to the Dent showcase for KillSwitch. It's an upgraded feature for 4.15.1 patch of Unreal Engine. Now, KillSwitch is quite simply a function that calls from whatever trigger you decide to destroy the mesh. Now, the way this has been implemented in the asset pack is a switch that triggers from the level blueprint. So I'll just show you how to do that. So here's how it works. You can see the destructible mesh is not taking any damage whatsoever. Now all we do is collide with this makeshift switch here and destroys the mesh in one go. So how does it work? So let's have a look at the blueprint. The parts you're going to be interested in for KillSwitch is the switch and the mesh. You can see here under the KillSwitch section of Dent in the class defaults set at 2 million damage on switch, and the impulse is set at 1000 just for a bit of spread on the debris. The destructible mesh has been set, but there's a change to how we normally have this configured. The change is the damage threshold is set at 1 million. Just an arbitrary figure, but if there's 1 million points of damage done to something inside the game, it's pretty sure it should be blown up. Damage spread set at 1. The reason for that is this will cover the entire mesh from a single fracture. We have accumulate damage disabled. The reason for this is we don't want somebody taking a spatula to the wall and eventually taking it down after several weeks of pummeling and not having to do one of perhaps a key part in the game. So this just ensures that it has to be a single impact of 1 million points of damage. Go back to the world overview, click on the blueprint that you want, come back to the level blueprint, right click, and third option down you'll see create a reference to the BP underscore KillSwitch. Click and you see you've got that there. Now for the bind we just drag off from there and you want to search for on actor begin overlap, and you can see that's brought in the bound event. So the way this works is, I'll just move that across there. That's the way this works is when it begins play, the bind event is basically primed in essence to be ready for any impact, any interaction with the overlap adapter. So if you have multiples, you would just drag it over and just pipe them across like this so they just flow into each other. So blue to blue, and the red custom events will basically remain independent from each other. Okay, so we'll just continue recreating the one we have here. So we can see it's the stone wall that we're working with. So this is stone wall here. Again, back to the level blueprint, right click, create a reference to, boom, there we go. If we pull off from there, we want to access the function from this destructible mesh blueprint. So we want to get the Dent KillSwitch function, not Dent KillSwitch. If you go for Dent KillSwitch, that's a custom event which is used for calling the function on the child actor. So it's the function that you want that will actually apply the damage to the central point of the mesh. So we select this and just pull that across, and everything's configured within the blueprint that we brought in here. So once that's done, that's you ready to test out your KillSwitch. Okay, compile, make sure you save, and thanks very much for listening guys. Hope to catch you on the next video. Cheers.